What's up guys? Joel with Motors and Mischief here with another 2-minute tutorial for you. Today we are working on our Jeep JK. Took this sucker out four-wheeling this weekend and we bonked it. So Jeep was going through some trees here in the Rockies and it took a bad bounce on the rocks and it hit the tree while I was driving. So anyway, we need to fix that. We're gonna use a heat gun and we're gonna pop that right out. It should pop right out. These fenders have got a memory and putting the heat on it should get it to pop right out. However, if it doesn't, we can put a little pressure on it from behind and that should pop it right out. So just in case it doesn't, we don't wanna have to heat it up twice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the inner fender real quick. Once that's out of the way, we'll turn on the heat gun. I'll show you what it looks like. All right, we pulled those clips out. This is on a 2013 JK. You just push in the center of that clip with a tool like this, and that thing slides out of the way, and then the whole clip will just come right out. All right, so we got our heat gun here. We're gonna go ahead and put this on here. Be really careful to keep it moving. This does get really hot, and the fender is textured. So what you're gonna wanna do is go not just in the center here, but around the outside. This might just pop out on its own. Otherwise, got a couple of tools and I'm wearing a glove, and we'll see if any of those will just push that out. It should go right back. So let's see how it goes. There you go, guys. See how nice that worked? Perfect. We'll let that cool back down, and then we'll clean it up with some protectant for the plastic. It'll be good as new. Just have to put this back in. We do have one more dent in the back here, so we're gonna do that, but that's your 2-minute tutorial. Like, subscribe. We do these 2-minute tutorials all the time, and there's lots of really cool stuff on the channel, so check that out. All right, guys, we love you. Bye.